We got a lot of rain these last few days, so the creek just really filled up nicely, and there's a lot of wildlife out right now, like ducks and birds, and there was a turkey I just saw. But I just wanted to come back here and check on the creek. My mom and I are about to leave to go on a little hike about an hour's drive from here, and I thought it would be fun to take you with me so that we can go on a little hike together and you can see all the fun new like spring things that's starting to bud, although I don't know how much there will be because it is still very early spring and so nothing's really growing yet. But it'll be fun, so let's go for a hike. Here is my hiking outfit today, by the way. Okay, you want to hold it for me so I can make sure I'm actually in frame. We're going to Holy Hill to go for a morning hike. Everything's a little bit dead because it's still pretty early out, but we're just gonna see what nature things we can find. And do they have an outlook there? The tower. Okay, and we might go to an outlook. We made it to Holy Hill. We cannot find a trail for the life of us. We've been walking around for a while now and there are no trails. We're looking up online where the trails are because we need to hike.
There's Holy Hill Trail that is actually part of the Ice Age Trail.
Oh really?
Is that what you'd like to do? Walk the trail.
We found a trail. Let's go. You know what would be fun, Mom? If we made our entire lawn out of moss. I think I'm gonna try to find a fully intact acorn this hike because I want to make a necklace. There's a bunch of acorn caps, but no intact acorns. So we'll have to be on the lookout. Isn't that pretty?
Yeah.
It's not fully opened yet, but it's all fuzzy.
Makes me think of violets.
Yeah. It's very pretty. Too bad they don't build buildings like that anymore.
I don't see anybody in the tower.
No.
I don't see any movement.
Oh, that's where you can go, is up to the top there?
Yeah.
Maybe we should do that.
It's all open. Well, if you want to, then we should go back.
Okay, let's go do that. Gorgeous architecture.
What's today?
Friday.
Oh, May 1st.
Got it. So we need to come back later. Little tiny outlook. That'll be really pretty when all the trees are green. Let me turn on this light. There we go. Let me do a little hiking haul. So I was not able to find a fully intact acorn, so I'm gonna have to look for one later so I can make a necklace. I did end up grabbing 3 acorn caps and this really cute little pine cone that I'm just gonna put on my desk to remind me of the outdoors because it's adorable. So that is my little hiking haul. I will have to make some kind of jewelry out of the acorn caps. I'm still kind of brainstorming about that one. But I had so much fun going on this hike with you, and hopefully as the weather warms up, I'm going to be making a lot more nature videos and just getting outside more. Otherwise, go ahead and subscribe for all of my fun crafting content. I do a lot of tutorials on here on how to make different apparel and wearable art. Thank you so much for going on this little hike with me. I really appreciate fellow nature appreciators, and I hope you enjoyed all of the little visuals I was able to show you of the first budding bits of spring here in Wisconsin. Okay, thanks for being here. I'll see you again very soon. Okay, bye.